Check it out time now, 26 more minutes to 4. This is your own show, Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. Good afternoon to you. How are you doing? Hope so you are cool. It's another beautiful Wednesday afternoon here in the nation's capital, ACCRA Accra, Ghana. So yes, it's Wednesday, the 16th of January 2019. Kakra ya koya ni mo. Be wana January na ya bum say pom. Na fe ya si. Me birth month mu. This February. You. I say who? Pressure. Okay, so you know how we do on Wednesdays. Edu Wednesdays say na ye jemboko near the ama ye nuanom a e wa amanone concerned listeners of amanone omuso de nie enti Edu Wednesdays say na utie show na wo Ghana ha ofedi kan ne urade aye no na wo watwentwe so kakra se be ya unua na ono so wo abrochire owo obi man so no ono so betimi nya access to the phone lines no so afre na wa de urade ase e ho ne wa ye dia ma no because masa kwantu mu se manya izojo and na form at all and that form enti enuanu mo amwo ye any of the European countries ye chechia mu nyina ye ma mo akwa baba Ofie Kwanso medie so mo so amwo UK mo to say chian koma mo Australia for ye tu chama mu nyina mo so amwo Middle East wo nyina ye chechia mu nyina mo to say North and South America mu nyina ye chechia mo Canada for ye chechia mu nyina na fe anche mu atwam so koma Asia for nyina mo to say na fe ye nuanom so amwo any of the African countries except Ghana. Most so want to say ye chechia mu nyina na de kan say ye bia o mana tu enu ti wo brenie so so betimi afre na wada nyame ase se de waka ho adom wo abɔ ho ban wonkoto amane bia mu konya aban asem bia ewo eye obi ma so wa ubutue watimi ahwe so wada nyame ase ebia na me kase wade srade bi wo de ato nyame anim krata asem yi adwuma asem yi setra mu nsem yi uguso a wo de urade ase na de aka na oye nyina aka o ma enti fresh here now so de nyame ase 0302 216 561 afei 0302 216 562 and 0268 499 347 Baba prefix plus 233 no na de account na just all dem wo amunim se de amoye ndada no enye se wutie se sia na ubowura mu na wutuni nti wote se mi bie phone lines na offer there be all Ghana ha today no call for you and they abroach for ne dia young call man so straight up hello good afternoon what Ghana
Blood jelly good afternoon
na me patcho one na ka say free
Blood jelly kwame
kachi Copenhagen wow nice one na kwame boko there
nyame adom blood jelly
e de nyame ase yentie ne enso de rade ase awie yi
yo em se me de nyame ase bebre e wo ne bambo blood jelly said o kana kwantu mu sam se ekone se ba na nyame adom o
no kre
na yen kan nyina enti yen dana se e wo ne bambo woni say more 5 crown as so no Ubaka sa dia asa.
Esumu asase e ba.
Weda no. Awon Kwanso no sela ukura yibu.
Ebeyi. Yede nyame as kwam chia busuafo mienu wi na emfansi.
Yo, we say me chia Ofie ni ne ile Mama Linda ne Pentecost asafman nyina na ejoso so me chia me nuanu nyina na obra jali okobo ade ne na ase ne efefukua no.
All right. All right, you now swear that.
2019 ya musu ha kwa me. Ya musu ha kwa. Ono so me tu no for na ono so ama na no anda kakra.
You when you pa so be future bia no so that's fire. Ade. Omo baby ayo omo bu ni se bugura. Utu ejamo afo no, utu hwan fo. Now utu mo ne so fo. Hello. Hello. Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patron your frost saying now can say free him.
A friend Mr. Donko, we can say Equatorial Guinea.
All right, now what to say?
Adom. Because Mr. Donko, me one of the Ghanaian cook to the president of Equatorial Guinea.
Wow.
Yeah, me then say my year Juma ama omanpenyin for 18 years. Adom. Ya one day kwenda wa media ni akosi omanpenyin table so a ho aba sam with the nyame. I know it's not easy. So ben wo dia na mo be mind so president for 18 years.
Wow.
Now when your problem.
Wow.
Me the nyame ase papa me the nyame me tie program to the bia me o multitude wa me the nyame ase pa.
Wow. In fact, wama mi hu asem kwa me nkampo. I mean, say na mi tu kwan na mi hia Ghana fo a omo bom homodin wo areas bi to say na ya na mani age for you to have been cooking for the president for the past 18 years. Now homa asem bia mi nu e de nyame ase for your life what? Nyame hia na ekoso ana eti o man nanim e man why? Enti chia busuafo mienu miensa bi na uwi agina so
busuafo de maside di kan de me de ba mo twedi ampo nyame so ahwem so abom ho ban de toso me de be koma former president Rollins ne ngire na ngomu so na mba ha.
Wow.
De toso so ye Major General former Major General Smith ono so ka ho bi na mbe krom ha de toso so koma me yire Mrs. Donko me ma Albert Julius Elsie any Angelina umna watachimai amanfum umkwasoro Methodist Ebenezer Methodist michawu nyina Kofi Adom woni so michiano omanyi kwa brasante munyina michawu munyina bebre Jerry so michawu ono abejafo nyina michawu bebre why enche bia dada fie na ya besamu Ghana.
Right.
Why?
That would be nice.
Ghana for no pekata do Ghana for pekata.
Asamna na wakaro. Ya kasado do. Enti de gina homa no so na producer no bedi nkomo achuo na wadwo contract achire bedi nkomo why?
Okay, yo.
I don't know. There's this story be minim se ma share radio so pen ya. EBC wo bus mu Italy. Oh, Ghana for say ye hwena de ye no ye ho ba bibia o hwe bia de o ye bia no because sometimes I na unim bad enkrofo hwa de oh na enkrofo steady ade na enkrofo so nipa esi nipa ninka ba nipa so wonka ye ebia Ghana ni bi papa ba ko bi ya waye o ba bi no etimi save another Ghanaian bi o ba bi bibi sa sie e wo bas e wo Italy. Now I will share that story with you later on your focus in the area. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, to say.
Nyame Adom me won ye pa na wo so e.
Adom me won ye brother.
Just on catch me.
My tear was the whole of 2018 from Atlanta, Georgia. Me problem in go through.
Yeah, and then I do them.
And then we done a comment with them about Ghana to free Ghana.
Hey, now I'm going to grind jail.
Your family Kofi Adom, aka Atimbu, Prophet Passion.
Where the year and pop. The
whole of 2018. My from me now. And then the Bedu Ghana managed with the radius. With the radius from Abusia, me in Abuja or Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay.
And me ma also London. Michael Odebo the other sin. Emmanuel Atiwa the other sin. I'm of the other sin.
Okay. Line agino. We did. Hello, next caller. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patrol from same.
But your friend is Salome.
Sister Salome can say free.
But I'm free Spain, Zaragoza.
And also hold the pa. Anyway,
I had the papa.
Hold the pa. More crabba, you did also the day radia say.
Okay, then young couple, the bray. I was to pay more, dear free Afiba, quite dear see, and same thing you know, don't come. On me, Uncle Pona, Uncle Swallow, my home by, and near Busnian, and Presia, Safway was Zaragoza. Nina, Uncle Pona. I say I'm so sorry, I be just sabre and maybe I sit down to and men young coupon. After so I bore me, some of you shall one moment perform ye no body day man the young coupon. Papa, oh, yesterday.
Amen. Yes, we had that's a pass so afraid. Yamin cost one wish you now on count on or manta phone home or mom who buy down in there, you know, yesterday. Amen. It's 3:45. Ogusutie 106.3 FM. We are friendly kind near Radia, Ofie Kwanso media so. And the air bruchi for Nidia. And the Jay Gusway and a kama dia momu. And choose Wootie. Now I'm on here. Or maybe I was to be ano. Was to beat me a friend. Now swat the Radia say. 1 year, why at Yamao. Yes, Sape Penetier. Nana Ajua Sewa SND way via Twitter yesterday on the show, but unfortunately, man went me and Kayamano. I said, Brother, I'm very thankful to God. Today is my 40th birthday, and I'm very grateful for all that He has done for me throughout all these years. To be 40 years, not from Keke. So I'm very, very grateful, oh Lord. My song today is Psalm 139. Thank you, Baba God, from Nana Ajua Sewa, Woodbridge, Virginia, and Odi Ifibai. So a belated birthday going out to you. Yesterday was actually your birthday. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patron, you're from saying.
But you're from Mr. Sari.
Mr. Sari, can say free.
Patrol friend of 3 now Ghana from
sa grow ya mo pese mo ni edi enyo no bia friend no so kase no ha no aba okay you mate eti you see Italy fan na no o se na o Italy fan Macha mu sese na mete ha na se menemu ya ade Mama try you. Oh my goodness. Ade. Mr. Hayford. Oh, the Lodge Tavern. Good afternoon to you, boss. Oh, no, wife. Michicha Munina near Jumafoni now, so. Titi Patrol, Shushe, or him, Messi, Fufu Young, the feature, you know, there we do feature, you know. Oh, Baku on the Morris, I unimino and you know ekikimi bruta pretu mam sisi ana me fanya there. Thank you. This is the song, man. Bako mienu mienza na yeko. Shoba. Yeah. Let's go now. Mienu mienza. A new way and come out. Mama Let. Oh, a Dortmund, Germany. I say now 100 doka cry. Nyaminimu wati wa beside Bibia be fine. Maybe soon come out Kofi Asare, also Dortmund, Germany. It is now 10 more minutes to 4. Adom 106.3 FM.
And there was a man if I was it and you. What my miss with the me, Jerry Jackson on Adom 106.3 FM. Oh, my papa, yes, way. Why am I so mafia to me? Like a woman, yo. Why I need us to say, Nini, I need us to. Why when did I say? Me ma when did I so? Am I wabe boy? Baku, onya mi refree yo. Oni midina. Niye moja tu adami na yemunko. Neradi ni baku. Onya mi refree yo. Oni midina. Niye moja tu adami na yemunko.
Erade nira enfielda wate onimu dada oye moja trompo down na yemuno na erade onimu dada entu how ne sen bibia be yi why the first that can say ma Petra Trust. Yes, Petra Trust. Next year 2020 how will life be for you? Saying ena abrabon besi akwa fa dia ma wo ana kra yemfa 5 years enka ho yemfa say 2026 sen kra na abrabon be ko afa ana sa kra dachi kra onko kra bremu ana obre wabomu no sen ne nema besi akwa fa. Remember, it is how much control you have over your money and not how much money you have. That's key to achieving your future goals. Obu always got go yi pad an account to me. But still no abrabon ko yi or one corner. But if you have control over your money, oh my goodness. Bibia bear find the amount. And until we hear say one Petra Trust. Ebedin kita ho. Na yetimi abo say be ya efficiently ubetimi ahwe na wa control usika no through savings, investments, pensions, and the keke kan ho nyina say be ya so betimi achieve more now future na fe de kama the amount so bright, you know what I'm saying? Ejifre Petra CCI it was 0242 435 037. That's 0242 435-037 or visit us and we achievemore.petratrust.com. achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra Trust, PetraTrust.com. Petra, achieve more. And when you fast day, your mark Kojak Pharma Limited on my the original pro code, yeah, the Kutia code and a fair flu. I from Korean and my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Would the idea the pile sugar won't parbos or surfing fimo and idea chill the pan idea hot now surfing fimo. You can't stand it. Use Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash. A beko. Ebi out the end ya no den pan. I thought that crowd choose ya na ya. Ubodom pem say na upra. Who choose ya na tumoja. Use Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash. A bejai why? Bet me use na continuously for 4 weeks now later was switch it to Kojak F no. Once a BBI cool. But per best result pa here use Kojak sensitive toothbrush na kan why? Na enye fast man. Ni na ya available at pharmacy shops out where train where she nyina mu. Do drop pan no. Kojak Pharma chia kwan ewo Okanshi drug lane. Friend was 0249 209 29 in front of 0249 209 920 and I'll fee 0260 870 780 Sankra 2 FDA for a mushi muaja to it will have be near why that is said the na pepe I said DBS Industries no on BB Adom genuine correct the churches in that one nekasa pre-coated roofing sheet papa bi ya de nkrofo twa wi anse the paint agusu wi da vi colors asort color link plus roofing sheet are losing content mu akona nim chen obi ade o market AZ 150 they aka odwam na between AZ 30 and AZ 50 etu beto bi etimi nya kokuduro ni ama 20-year warranty wo so because yenim say ade na be say color na enu emfedi empili of empo na campus chance na rusted obesa enjoy 5% discount to crowd their account so beto chance bi the cobord na so enti friends see 0577619102 and I say 0543286637 yeah roof experts no we check kwan won kran your Springtest Road no so ufie so enche bia no wadu papaya restaurant afa o passase ato o pedan ato completed and now uncompleted and now o car ato ebi announce open spare parts na to home appliances bi na open chese product bi a opato bia no ene ba bia do wani kira one time on sabe kan nyina bi na bo no so da form correct pa no eye buyoneonone.com yes buyoneonone.com se ho ne dwadie ni na ekoso minua entu so tisimu ho na de ohwe bia no sanka sanso na wo ade a wo ton a na pese content pa de a just all the fa buyoneonone.com listen say hono bia wo sellers ne buyers ni na ho no mu na ahia ore aze o de wade to wo say wo ton so aye nyohwe free Friends see 0266 637 111 afa 0302 300 472 and now just visit us www.buyoneonone.com where we wouldn't problem or how be any actually
so I create a gym away. What getting me a shamatani? Obama me never see you. Obama Papa, yes, way. Why am I so mafia to me? Like a woman, yo. Why when it does so say? Mini, I'm a when it does so. I'm a wabamu. Eba. Why when it does so say?
Why Nina, you know, say, Ohima Messi for this inspiring song, Onime, and it features Morris Babyface. Great. Good why you moving on. You been say mema wicked. Nansen utie somewhere call kosoro de mema bi akwan bi om de ma bi nam so to say mema wicked papa mema so say rabi hwe e ma no omunti na ma mema ne say ma ne wicked more. So we want to find out from you e ma ne mema he for na wicked pa na it is dwam kakra jinkofo adwenche you beti na going forward no yetimi ama won so do de abanti bia you can also send yours ahead of time via Twitter at Adom 1063 FM at Adom 1063 FM. Why? Not just say kwa na make sure so be hashtag Ofie Kwanso in your tweet and Ofie Kwanso. You can also tweet at me at Jerry Justice, also on Twitter. Yes, GERRYJUSTICE at Jerry Justice on Twitter. Any mema for any wicked pa. So let's just do this. Sisia Basadem D Kakana Wabondia hashtag Ofie Kwanso in your tweet. They won't say there will be a by kind courtesy Sovereign Estate. A fair Roma insecticide spray in the mosquito coil. O madama, ye barbe shot someone, ye do to your home and every ye Ofie Kwanso me so Adom 106.3 FM. And as someone, ye did tree and hopeful, I will fear Kwanso Jumedi so no. As someone will brofocasem no say, he who refuses to embrace a unique opportunity loses the prize as surely as if he had failed. Teen you, he who refuses to embrace a unique opportunity loses the prize as surely as if he had failed. Akwanya ewo ho edema odasani bia ye nyina ye namo aye kwa ye bai ade bi wetimi ba wa kwam timi se we de enya akwanya bi na beda wa kwam pa na onya ye opportunity bi na ba ya we de nka nya de obetimi adu ba bi odu ye no nanso enye ye mu bia na se ye konya akwanya bi a yetimi ehwe na ye gitum ye som se kuya na emfasode a wo sa akwanya nimu no yensaka etoda yetimi tutu ye ho ase a yetimi bu ye ni guso a ema ye wurempo free se owe de yakwanya bi ne yenya na ye de saa na ekọ obi so na ka na asem o say opportunity comes but once ekọ na ba eno na gidrum ye nam opportunities bebre surrounding opportunities bebre will come knocking at your door but say one mo wani ana ho na obu ani guswa na wantimi seize that opportunity no na one make no ade bia sese utimi nya film no wantimi anya film na epa ho na ekọ a na chese eno ano no eba no saa etise de wadi nkuguo pepepepepe e wo obra na wo bonum no because ansana besan pria hu se ade ye ba ya kwanya beto ma mi de ese nka me ye ABCD no satan na kwanya no ko ne ni obiem enti afi na obesan struggle sa etise de wutu anamona wutu no anye ye no wadi nkuguo pepepe do won hwehwe ase but wadi nkuguo already. So this message is telling you and I say opportunity by akwemu we need to seize it. Say akwanya bi beda ho man we need to prove us as say ye so sa akwanya no ye de ahoden ye ya dwene ye bibia no so sa akwanya num na de betimi aye bia na ye nya bibia free sa akwanya na beto ye nimu no ana beto ha man no yetimi nya ade free mu ansa na sa akwanya no ebe free ensemu a afree ensemu Sabre ya utie mi minimum akwanya bi abeto opono so. Minimum opportunity bi that is around you that you can see. But one kasa wa access ho wo hwe wa abrabo na bo wa hwe wa setre mu a e bi obetimi ahu se saa de we ya nansen ya abai ana de we ya asie yi akwanya bi wo mu e de mame ana mo be ne sese mitu fa ho esa se akwanya no ent na ho da e bi enei na wo sa akwanya no e bedu ochina na akwanya no eni ho ma obiem eno na anhwe yi a wani be ba ho so anka wunya sa akwanya na anka obetimi de ai bibi pa bi no na akwanya no ko na kwa ese de wo de abrabo no enkugo die na obedi wo mu no na ye wo na wan tiki that opportunity no tie na ye fantu ye hofo na ye hu inam sa de we se nsunti na me abu be se opportunity comes but once because a banner kwa din sa won sa betimi asan aka ne biem. So once again, he who refuses to embrace a unique opportunity loses the prize as surely as if he had failed. We any asem ne yede etu ye hofo Ofie Kwanso de so so as that yede ma sorry next state e pacho makache odada say nei batakaria do so ama abusu anti ehunu kramu papa ehunu kramu papa enei krofo bukata obi ne lifetime savings wa bobra wo awai mu a snow ba no na mu titini mo wire mu a disika manifie yem passase bi mfama no onkukuru bibi kakra nti so da achi obedu anya babi di tiato ayebo achi bidin afi wo kakaya no osu no odi areho esisi bebre man crofo the stories ba hada bia be ka kire eno na a group of young Christians he omotena se hwe dinom se da bi crofo den sase ho nsem ene dan sie ho nsem han crofo mamu dodo yemfa ye honyim sa gidifo ne yenso yemoa om ene nei omo akofa soaring estate ediaba eye boko we you know eye nsase a ohaw bia ni ho asase no mo ahwe twa ho kwan a ye ho totue bibia fefefe se de be ya ho krata sem nyina bedim na okira bi ubagi bia obi ama metete o etisa wo pasase a na wo pefie bi ato wo beautiful locations a cheso how bia ni ho no ene soaring estate eni kita ho na intimi moaw e wo sa kwan no so Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays ye koyen site e mamanfo kohwe na omo akasa ni gi ho a onko omo de omo abehye bi eno na free ye do kwa mo akwa inspection a wo ye nyohwe na wa wakọ site woni ade na enkita ho bia questions bia wo bia no wa bisebisa krata sem bia de bia chechero am watimi anya ho ntease ansa na adon sa behye mu a wodon sa hye mu ye office e won kra ha ya Accra New Town ene Washington Bay ye wo Accra New Town we ya ena edi nhwani mu e wo ye Accra New Town Car Price Road no so no Metre School Road behind Ghana Commercial Bank ne ho no ben experimental school ya oh yeah tibomodia say obeba na yetimi abo wo de frɛ answer 027 00 11295 tbm 027 00 12295 afei 050 054 5457 050 054 5457 afei 0244 721 348 and the WhatsApp nkwa 0244 721 347 and no WhatsApp nkwa ti mfrensi so WhatsApp nkwa Soaring Estate where God lives. Roman insecticide spray in the coil papa obia ji atom obia di ho dance se wo yusu a enu hwamoda umia ne say fom good corners wo dem eno an no etotum bia monu muso mewura dem wo omo ho dada no de ne omo de omo abrabo eba wie dada isan so omo nyina bewu entefre ne kakape ne tatia ne ade omo nyina asebe hwedwebe na fiama fragrance kama bi nso abegina wo dem wo obi apio dem wo timza ko wo ye guy what I say the mosquito ko no so sa pepe no na aduma no ano nampa yet improvisi ene de catarrh ne chest infections ne cold ne headaches bi aba be jeja on ebusua no so entontom na eno discipline om za na okona nimu a Roma no entontom master available shops ne stores ne supermarkets outdoor try ye ho ahia nyina mu ye do mo ase so mo boa ye ma ye de afutui ebrel Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM abena owusu a say please I want to thank God for my life and also wish my mom Rosina Akosua Buedi of Okanshi a speedy recovery for me. Mommy, yame fan is san kan on say arewai bibia be fine. Ewo Yesu dimo. Okay, and said na me kan earlier no. E mema say my wicked. E man so say mema wicked. E mema he say the entire so me wicked is because of the wickedness of the man onti. And am mo yesa. E man so say no mo kana. But a man be so person say omo amum no mo de omo age atum so omo na wicked no. So we want to know from you, what's your take on this? Emma any mema and for na ye wicked pa. Ye betie team but also send o there efa brain. The omu ne say obetimi de akọ Instagram so mo say obi asend pampacho men ye no direct message. Ho no o kan ya le. O there ene ya me to studio here picture ya me dia to Instagram no. Obetimi do de na akọ ase by way of commenting let us know a man member for any wicked pa at Jerry Justice on Instagram so ti also obetimi do de na akọ na fe at Jerry Justice on Twitter and then at Adom 106.3 FM also on Twitter all the fat Twitter no hashtag Ofie Kwanso Ofie Kwanso na che say anymore na ye kro
Koko. Haven't I warned you not to disturb me because I'm tired due to the little work I do?
It is the reason why I have bought you Health Link CoQ10. It's recommended for people who develop fatigue easily and are unable to perform aggressive tasks. This is also Health Link Busy Lifestyle Tablet. It is a rich source of magnesium and vitamins which helps you with healthy bones and helps maintain a good immune system.
But you've only given me 2 of the products. Why are you still holding on to 1?
This is Health Link Healthy Man Tablet meant for myself. It contains creatinine, ginseng, and zinc for male vitality, vigor, and strength. All the tablets are food supplements to be taken once a day by persons above 12 years. And it is available in pharmacies and chemical shops. Bulk purchase, contact Pharma Trust Limited. Call 0561 088 666 or 0561 088 663. Health Link, your link to a healthier lifestyle. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Food and Drugs Authority.
Sorry neseta wuko ye ena me menya dan omo onsase wa masamai kaswa ensawam oyibi dodowa adenta oyarefa tema chopoli dowenya pram dansuma sakamai botiano tuba road widiba shai hills ena dobro
ebinso airport residential dansuma ena east legon
Sovereign Estate ewo Accra New Town wane washing bay no ewo Accra New Town Caprice Road ena dinsha nimu commercial bank enachi for 027 001 2295 050 054 5457 Sovereign Estate where God
Kuchirang Mintale wana de Mimblo Kuchirang Fodo Bebodom Nyenye Dedo Ebusiafo na isuwari ebet na ho ama days ahwemofrano na so na moma ye ejuma na radarani no ni suban no so wo besisana aha na afei so Vicky no sisana wasisa na se wo de fofo ebet na ya kwaye ene na ewie ye ni asem no Kuchirang eba na wie ye 21st January ya 7:30 p.m. sharp ewo Adom TV so and na ho ma mentally wo twa konwa na twenye na ampaye ebeye den ebeja Kuchirang mentally wa na de mimblo Kuchirang fodo ebebodom na nye dedo Adom TV ya wazoye
Industries, Diababio, a Colorlink Plus roofing sheets. So what Colorlink Plus roofing sheets are? DBS Mau 20-year warranty. Also,
hey, what's the 20-year warranty?
Ane 20-year warranty against fading. And what you know, and Chansinwa clean it by itself. Nema won Chansino yefe. Abribia. Kalanon Sada. Eya febo.
A long lasting.
Maubi Nadao. Shisha Colorlink a sense to Diana one Chansinwa chi. Ubehu DBS Industries one cran. Spintex Road. Ye with DBS building numo. Ye bain Papaya Restaurant. Freyen was 0543 286 637. Ana 0577 619 102. Ubehu DBS Factories Nubi wa Kumasi Adakwajachi. Ye watamale netakradenso. DBS Industries. Intense Papa Fie.
Do what you doing. Smile will bring us sunshine.
Original Proko, Kujak Farm Iron, Elboy Juma say, Sapapunko, Anasa Fluchua, Num Proko, Ebetuasi say, what you say, Yatrahu Proko, PROCOLD, and Yatrahu Kojak, KOJACH, Sansuna Kojak Farmer, Ashan to the down. So well, Sanoma we are, Mento, Kojak Farmer, Esansu the Kojak F, and the Kojak P toothpaste. So with the fruits, Anasa won't know Manasa with dear Emunu, Anna Adia Ash, Nasa Sefin Fimo, Yonia A Kojak F toothpaste, Nasa Fim Nan water, Anasa Sensi Tumoja, Odia A Kojak P toothpaste, used in the Bosome, Yachino, Sabe use Kojak F toothpaste. No, if you film the Bejai, yes, Sansu Kojak sensitive toothbrush, a Yamausen, Sansun Yo Kojak F, and the Kojak P mouthwash, Odo who Numa, Osefin Fimwa, Ebejai, Neta Boss Hombai, Ubenyabi, oh baby, a tone Nubia, Kojak Farmer, a walk Kanshi Drugly, and our friend 0249 209920.
22nd of December, I got him 23rd December. Mr. Wa, but that to a mommy. A vehicle fair 2018. Car market now beautiful. What if I see a baka who that and so uncle? A hana was a banana betono. Opeka attendance on the boy all day. A hana was a banana bepebito. Yashada in the form you know, you see what it is, Hedgeman. A car auction, and you the car swap and so on. Over to the car that by the Gemino. Vehicle fair 2018. A bus 22nd and 23rd of December. That in your 8 a.m. near the Association, and you 4 p.m. near Pong. Vehicle Fair 2018, a bus for our trade fair. Pavilion C. But when you were here, some Nepaka Krato, Nabenya car F for Pato. Obibia Ropeso didn't wish us had Media Wemo and Fre 02.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice. This is High Definition, an explosion in the city. 106.3 FM. They are tough.
More great music coming up next on this your favorite station.
106.3 FM
with the man
Jerry Justice. Higher, baby.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
My friend, who are home and true one is 1,000 times. Nasu and me the country say Adom, who out of coverage area. I'm a beauty, I mean, a dipper.
This is JFM 106.3.
Free. Ain't you one pan way in me? Ain't you me one pan way me say? Soon it me to quanta oh. When him say we concert, mommy, friend would be when him say we concert, me who say we pakra, me tremble. When him say we concert, me share some cry, me share the manchiano. That's my hope, yeah. Me to you, me best me take one more time. Me best me who winning, hey bien. Me pick quiet perfume and no name I registry. Me best what come answer again. I did penna. And rank a truck, you see me, I'm a cry. Send a traffic like no soldier. Dance I dream into the dreams and see me tremble. Anka meeting at your from Hapatawa. Anka metwa constructed Sagrama. I take churches welcome. Welcome to yeah. Me better so they can cry. Mean tremble. Me say okay, so me share some cry. Me shred my hello. Shred ya was here me. Me best me do want it get one more time. Me best me do it perfect. Hey babe, me Lord have mercy. Yeah. My deep baby, yeah. Oh. Way my deep, yeah.
This is the we play 30 minutes of back-to-back. This is
Adom FM 106.3.
M-I-K-E, and I make it baby. Yeah. Anytime I look at your beauty, girl, something keeps striking me, saying, seek and you will find, cause she can be a queen. So shall it be. If I say you for go and plus me, and I, the bang that you say, then you wanna man for a point to I, yan to a basa como, or him I am grown man in your for why. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yeah, me him, oh yeah, me him. I miss this so now miss your mouth for beach you now must stop it. BB striking my drink say me fancy so Jack never saw it. Me born in coma there me sound so good no best say I know my own to grass and now to more power domo my end to a basa como yes power domo can never leave you alone. So don't you never leave me. Once again, I can never leave you alone. So don't you never leave me. I cause when me sweet baby, when me sweet lady, I hate my share. SMIKE with wow, I feel good. Oh, yes, you my beauty queen.
All right, so we have some friends here in the studios from the United States of America. They are from the state, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, so they are visiting us here. And you want to say hi to them. Okay, yes, you be known to choose on the okay, Mema Mwakwaba. Yeah, what? Yeah. So what? Mema Mwakwaba. Yeah. Oh man. Okay. Fine. So it's yeah. All right. I can say welcome, and then you say thank you, but you don't say thank you. You say yeah. You know. Yeah. So. Which parts of the U.S. are you from?
Well, our school here is from Maryland. So yeah, we come from Towson, Maryland. I'm from New Jersey. But yeah, East Coast.
Okay. So what are you here for?
Well, we're here to, explore Ghana's culture and really submerge ourselves in the community.
Come again?
We're here to explore Ghana's culture and submerge ourselves in the community.
Oh, okay. All right. But I understand you guys know one thing. That's when someone says to say, you know how to respond.
Yeah, we picked up a few different types of
Okay, so which one and which one? Because I'm going to ask all of them, then see how they're going to respond to that too.
Ashanti.
What? I can't. No, what's Ashanti? It's Akan. No. Now Ashanti is there and Akan is there, but you don't have Ashanti.
We picked up some
Ewe as well.
Yeah.
And what else?
And Twee.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so all of you to say oh man, like some orchestra. Anyway, you guys are welcome. Enjoy yourself. So this is Adom FM, part of the multimedia family. When you get to the other side, you speak more English over there, so you wouldn't have any problem over there. All right.
I can't ever leave you alone, so don't you never leave me. Once again, I can't never leave you alone, so don't you never leave me. I cause when they miss sweet baby, when they miss sweet lady,
This is Adom FM 106.3.
This is Adom FM, and this is Scary Justice.
You make me wanna rearrange the alphabets so I could put you next to letter I. Take my heart, baby, carry go. If you leave me, baby, I go die.
With the man, Jerry Justice, on Adom 106.3 FM.
Me baby, me brownie, yeah. Golden tree chocolate, yeah. Me drop totally, yeah. Each and every day, yeah. My own, that time of the chase, I'm then no money day. My own, see my hot back, push it on, I dey grind for my kenge. My own, like the air, I dey feel up for everywhere I dey. My own, see the
Nana. There was some kind of message there on Facebook. No, oh, you shouldn't find my main kind man. Why? About your road safety tip of the day now for the day, you know. I the Guswa catch you. So when I'm crying on baby on the pavement and now say sidewalk in the one more. Make sure so Ben Nantiwa bra will face road traffic no. And Nantiwa bra cut free chiba a dangerous path. Side road safety tip we know. Guinness Ghana Breweries Limited Nede Ebre War with support from VIP Gion Transport Service. Even Mike Multipurpose Company Limited and I feel Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. You don't want to sit for this one. Boy. Bad boy Samini. Now say open mobile phone papa atopa dia. I just say oh how be any dia. Enwa any Freddy's corner. Na hona benya original mobile phone. Ato ewa brand born so da from correct cry. All types of laptop computers in the bags. Mobile phone accessories, computer, hard drive, hardware near there, gold curve LED TVs, printers, any kiddie tablet. I feel open the latest iPhone XS and I feel iPhone XS Max and I feel Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Samsung Tab S4, Nokia 7 Plus. They can Nina Freddy's Corner. Papa, you're behind the Holy Gardens Police Station or Kwame Nkrumah Circle, and I feel next to Adom Rice Restaurant Wokokomlemle on the Sprinters Road. So you have Gas Furniture, Temayo between Casino and then Community 1 Police Station, Kumasi Yawa, Prempeh the 2nd Avenue, and the OGNTC building in Dinshi anymore. Kumasi 1 Albany or Hapa Road. What a doom bank, Stanbic Bank, and I head office no a bank a City Lights will come lemle. Wait me a friend was 0544-959-195. I face 020-793-7323. Now I bet you mobile phones, Papa be at every and chair. If I try a request for Uber, I safe, reliable, so baby I'll go piano. Which are two more up and out chain location and I can't be found. No, they call destination straight out. Or ban unim friend than teaching you unim drive and the picture on the deal car never found unim can registration number, the type of car they make nina or perfecto. They born so you can pay with cash or card and so very, very affordable as well. Uber, where to you? Okay, Rose. Okumakranis, where Okumake? I say thank God for how far He has brought me and my family. I'm very grateful. Today marks my 10th anniversary in my marriage. Baba God, thank you. Rose, say my kind. Come on, to you. Okay, and for ascend messages bebre ediaba na dodo na se e my wiki chen mema e mani bia nso aka sampa my wiki chen mema and e bidum se anya no kre e mema mum na e wiki pa eti yentie kakra ne mum wo so no send o de bra at Adom 1063 FM on Twitter, hashtag Ofie Kwanso in your tweet, and then at Jerry Justice also on Twitter as well, and at Jerry Justice on Instagram. And that picture now to studio and I'm there to by way of commenting, no beat me the ones who are doing chena to a man for the door now the omu there to a beje bre na yaboni.